Hey Internet, so today's SolidWorks tutorial lesson is how to make a plane. So if you go to features, then you left click the reference geometry, the drop down will be a plane. So and then this drop box will appear. So first reference, so we'll just pick front plane, and then it's already pre-selected a offset distance, so that's 80 millimeters. We'll just click the tick, and that's our plane. So next we'll click on plane 4 and sketch. We'll just make a center line or construction line. So I just put a random construction line there. What you can do next is create a plane with two references, and then have a plane that's like this. What I'm going to do is just draw a quick construction line on right plane. You'll understand in a moment why. Okay. Let's make a plane that's on an angle. So let's say this one, let's say it's 0, and then we click this for an angle. Let's say 90 degrees, and then we pick the line, and that becomes our plane at 90 degrees to this plane 5. So plane 6 is 90 degrees to that plane. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, comment below if you're unsure about anything. Until next time, see ya.